Good morning, YouTube. I am looking for a desk, so let's go and see what they have here in Ikea. There's a desk right here. This desk is not bad. I think it's not very big though. This is 47. Oh, it is big. 47. The depth might be a little too much from that end to here for the space that I wanted to fit in. I really hope I find something today. Oh, this is a showroom, but where are the office desks? You know, this is funny because I have always seen the IKEA sign, but I never knew it was so big. I thought it was just an office at the front, because this is actually in the mall. I really didn't know that they have showroom. I don't see any desks so far. This is really too big. Plus it's metal. Nope. I want wood. This is better. But I don't need. No wonder. This is what my friend has. But they're small. This is pretty small. This is what I had in Japan, this little desk. And I had to set that up. Took me a while, but I did it. These are so small. I don't know. This is too big now. Just this part alone is big. The depth too deep. I don't have the space for such a big desk. This one might be too big. This is definitely too big. This is like 55 inches. I can tell because I was looking online before, checking out 140 by 65 centimeter. Yeah. I love this white one with the natural wood look on top, but this is super big. I may not find what I want here. I like this one, but the depth might be too much. This one is just simple. Let's see if I find any more around here. No, these are dining tables now. This desk is nice too, but too big. Too big. Oh, I didn't notice this one over here. The length of this one might be definitely too long. The depth is fine, but the width, let's see. Really? It's not that bad. It says 41. Oh, this is next to it. This is different. I want something at least 44, 45. I'm gonna have to check out the other store, which is Truck Tube and maybe The Brick, and see. Because there's no more around here. Around here is dining tables and thing. Yeah, kitchen showroom. Yeah, dining showroom. Yeah. So I will get back to you guys when I am at the other store. And I like how this side I can plug the thing in.
Oh, this is the one too. You see?
That's nice.
This is
Oh yeah, I was looking at this one too.
$149.
I was looking at this one. Okay. I think we found one. I think we found a desk. I am just a bit worried that the depth is a little big, because when I measured it at home, I wanted a depth of 18, and this is a depth of 25. So I'm a bit worried about that, but otherwise from that, it's beautiful. At least I like it. So me sit down in the people's store. Well, we made a decision. Pray that it fits in the room. I'm going back to do some measurements again just to ensure that my space can hold it. So let's see. I wanted to just look at 2 more stores just in case we find something a little smaller, but I really do like it though. When I get it, I'll let you guys know and you tell me if you like it. See you guys.